Let's start with data validation. We have used conditional formatting. For some set of rules, we were highlighting our cells and by checking values. In why data validation is used? It is used to validate the data while entering. Suppose I am entering quantity and by mistake it has entered in some decimal places, but I know the quantity can only be entered in a whole number, a positive number. So I don't want to put that decimal values there. So for that restriction, for creating restriction on data entry, I use data validation. So how I will use that? In our data tab, we have data validation. From setting tab, and we can select what we want to allow, what values we want to allow. It has a set of options, so we choose whole number. We can also select it should not be less than 0 or should not be maximum to 100. We can choose as per these options, between, not between, equal to, or that. I have selected now that 0 to 100, the between value of 0 to 100 should be entered in this cell. So I click OK. Now when I enter 100, it's okay, but when I enter 12.9, it will show me some error. It is not letting me to enter the value which is not allowed in it. So to apply data validation, I have to select whole column where or whole area where I want to put the validation. So I have selected this, press OK. So now I can enter my value, but when I enter out of the restriction, it will show me the error. It will not let me enter the values in it, such as in amount. I want that the amount should be with decimal positions or in positive numbers, but it should not contain text. So I will select this, go to data validation and choose the other option, decimal. I can also restrict that to a minimum amount of 500 and maximum amount of 5000 can be entered only. So when I enter 100 here, it is less than 500, so it will not let me enter the value. I choose 5000, okay. 2500, it is okay. When I type 5001, oh, that's there is a restriction. Now here I want to enter city, but we know that lot of people while data entering do lot of spell mistakes in cities, and if we have branches only on our 4 cities, then we can provide option to user to that these cities is only available. For that we use list option and we can type our cities here. And press OK. Now I can choose values from the list. but uh, I can also type the values from list uh, in cell, but I cannot type any other value like that. I want to enter here mobile number. I don't want that any other thing should be entered here. What is the criteria for that? The value should not be less than 10 digits. It should be equal to 10 digit. So how we will enter that? I will create restriction. We can select on data validation, and the text length is equal to 10. Now when I enter 10 digits mobile number, then it's okay, but when any digit is missing or less or greater, it will show me error. It will not let me enter the values. Moreover, we can also select that the error is showing here. Actually it is not clear. We have restricted the cells for any user, and I want to select here, I want to show here how user will know that what is should be entered in that, because from heading it is not very clear. So what we do that generally do that we insert comment here, mobile number should be 10 digits, this type. But when our mouse pointer go to it, then it shows. But we want that when user want to type the value, when he move cursor through keyboard, then also this information should be displayed. So we just select the value. Here we are doing the all of that from setting tab. We have also input message tab, in which we can also type our title, wrong mobile number. Now we can select the title, mobile number, and input message, mobile number should be 10 digits. We press OK. Now when we go through our cursor, in that area we have applied the validation, it will show me as this. Now let's move on to another option, error alert. The error should also be reflect the what error is done. I said wrong entry, and this message, mobile number should be 10 digits. Now when I enter wrong data, it will show me wrong entry, mobile number should be 10 digits. Now in this we have error alerts of 3 types. First one is stop, it will not let me enter the value. Second one is warning, it is the light one, So when I enter the wrong result, it will show me the option mobile number should be 10 digits, continue. If I choose yes, it will let me enter the value. No, then it will discard the value. I will yes. Now it has let me enter value. Last one is information. It will just show information that you have your entry is wrong. Mobile number should be 10 digits. If I press OK, there will no effect on data. If you choose cancel, then it will discard the value. So we choose OK. It was just only the information. So for that options we can use data validation.